Hello, Dale here from Gecko University. In this episode, we will talk about our truck tubes. You'll see up top, as you folks, if you're another technician driving around, you may have seen other guys with these on these trucks, thinking, "Hey, what's in there? How do I get that? And how are they organized?" Well, we'll go over that real quick. So back in the day, we would carry everything up on top with straps, and always worried about rain, especially for the boxes that the rails were in and disintegrating, and all the noise from the tubes and the struts bouncing around. So I think this is a simpler, better way to go. Upfront cost can be, $400 or $500, but convenience and aesthetic appearance of the product is keeping it nice is huge. So anyway, it's schedule 40 PVC pipe. We've got 6-inch and 8-inch up here, and they can be secured at a irrigation plumbing supply warehouse, typically a big wholesaler. The end cap on the front and the rear gate you can find online. Blaylock Industries I think they're in Fort Worth, Texas. I bought them there. You can get them on Amazon. Typically, they're called a conduit carrier assembly. And come around the back, and I'll show you what we store in there. So this particular model is a double safety. It has a latch that comes up, and it has the key which has to be turned as well. So nothing will come loose driving down the road, because that's unpleasant. So anyway, in here, I carry tubes, torsion tubes, and I cut this one at 17 foot, 1 inch long, depending where you buy your 16-foot tubes, which is most common for your area, most likely. The tubes will be up to 17 inches long, or 17 feet. So if I cut my tube at 17.1, they're not going to have too much room to gain momentum should I stop. I don't want too much forward thrust. The other supplier we get them from is 16 foot 10 in length, so I don't have to reach in too far if I keep my tube at an appropriate length. And then the same thing for the struts. I keep those in here, just 16 footers. I tend to not put too many short things in there because they can work their way forward, and they tend to do that. So another thing to keep up here is going to be, if that works for your market, is perhaps a bottom retainer with some rubber ready to go. So I can just throw this on a door. Again, it keeps it out of the weather. Another good use for this is taking off an old torsion tube or an old torque master assembly or something like that. Just slide it in there. When you get back, take it out and restock. Pretty simple. So I'll latch this and open up the other one. And in here, some guys take this is strictly for rails. Some guys will take them out of the carton and then set them in there. Some people put them in the box. It just depends on the manufacturer, of course, and how many will fit in there. But this is how I do it. I've never had an issue, never had anything break. Very user-friendly. It's neat, organized, no damage, looks good on the truck. So there's that. Pretty simple. I don't know how paintable these are. That's our next step, is to get some paint on to make them look a little more attractive. If one of you has a good idea for that, please drop in the comment section and let us know. Well, thanks for watching. Our next video will be on the truck boxes and how to organize those. Thank you.